Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this to seater sofa. As you can see, the fabric condition, and the client wanted us to change the fabric only. So that is what we are going to be doing in this video today. And yeah, if you like such videos, watch till the end. Let's start this video. So welcome again to our YouTube channel, and if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload videos like this and more. Yeah, like the video, comment on it, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So the first thing that we normally do, of course, is removing the old fabric from the sofas, stripping off everything, and then start doing the reupholstering again. The client wanted a dull color because she was taking this sofa somewhere very far up country, and she wanted a fabric that is easy to maintain there, and that is the reason for us changing the fabric. Anyway, watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand the steps and the processes, materials that we have used, also the tools. And if you have any question, that is, if you want to try something like this and you want more information or you want to know more, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Anyway, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate that. So as you can see, we are still going on stripping off all the old fabric and then start sewing the new fabric, and I will show you step by step on what I did during this process. Yeah, and I will definitely see you in my next videos.